y'all for clicking today's upload. We got the fuel cell fabbed up. We found some pipe and got it all done. We got most of the pipe off Facebook Marketplace actually. Just regular steel pipe. Guy had it on there pretty cheap. An actual local racer did. So we went and bought it off of him and got our fuel cell all fabbed up. So I'll turn the camera around and show it to you. But here's our fuel cell. It's all fabbed up. And we're gonna get ready and slide it under the car. I'll tell y'all one thing. I am not a fabricator. And if you guys want to see some good fabricating work, go over and check out Chris on the berm. He builds some awesome stuff. Like, his factory stocks are mint. Like, if I was able to run one up here and we had that kind of class up here, I would definitely buy one off him because his fabrication skills are top notch. His quality of work he does is top notch. So if you guys have never checked out On the Berm, go check Chris and Pops out at On the Berm. That'd be a lot easier if I didn't have the deck on, but I didn't have the stuff for the fuel cell and I had the stuff to build sheet metal. So we built sheet metal because the quicker we can get this together, the better, even though we're taking our time and doing it on a budget and doing it the right way, but we're doing it as we can with the money. But I had that and I didn't have this. So I just estimated from a fuel door and I actually got it pretty close. But it's been a lot easier putting it in if I didn't have the fuel or the decking in it. I'll put the fuel cell in it. And it'd probably be a lot easier if I wasn't doing this by myself to get it in here. Get them tight and hold it in place. Well, I got it in there. I promise you it's not on as much of an angle as it looks. I got the body kind of turned and I just estimated the door, but it's close enough. You can get fuel in it, and if you can't get fuel in it, we got problems. But anyway guys, the fuel cell's in it, so that's one less thing we got to do. We're gonna start on the front end next. We're going to start chopping the brackets off on the left side, get them all chopped off, get this rerouted, and then hopefully tomorrow or the following day our other brackets will show up and we can weld them on. But we're gonna get these brackets cut off for now. Well, that's better. Let's just fix this a little bit, which I can turn this and fix that. Not a big deal at all. And we'll be pretty well ready to go there. Yeah. Then we're all cut off. Now this is all gotta be ground smooth. But find that new upper here. The new upper that we got is gonna fit on here about like that. So we'll get that all figured out. The right front, they're all cut off. I got to patch this hole where they had it so far down in the brackets I'm going to use. I don't need that, so I'm going to get a piece of plate I'm going to put in here, and then we'll weld it all in and get it all patched up. And then the back of it's ground off, and all them over there are ground off. So here's a look at this side. We'll get it cleaned up just a little bit better. I gotta figure out where the brackets go once I mount it though, or where I'm gonna mount it. Got the fuel cell in it, so it's 100% mounted. All the bolts are tightened down and everything, so it's good to go. Like I said, that's gonna do it for us today. Hopefully here before long we'll have some racing content coming for you. As you guys saw in the last video, my primary car got all wrapped up, and I got a couple more stickers to do to it, but we're going to finish it up this coming weekend hopefully and scale it, and pretty well scale it. Check the numbers on it. I'd lost a few pounds, so I need to make sure I make weight and stuff. We're going to check all that out, smash a few springs on the smasher, and then that thing will be ready to go to practice. Hopefully here in the next week or two, we'll start racing if the weather lets us. It's a pretty nice day out today, but I don't know. It usually seems to rain this time of year around here. That's going to do it for us. If you guys haven't already, get down and hit that subscribe button. Help our channel grow. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.